Hello everyone, 大家好. In this lesson, we will review about ma and ne, the question particle. So do you remember what we learned before? Now let's recall. First one is question particle ma. This sentence is 我是小学生. So do you remember how to transfer this sentence into a question? Use ma. You need to change 我 to 你. Then put the 是小学生 down. At the end of sentence, you can add the question particle ma. That's the thing. You should change period to a question mark. So 我是小学生. The question about this sentence is 你是小学生吗? The answer is 是 or negate 不是. Okay, next one. 我有哥哥. First thing, you should change 我 to 你. Then put 有哥哥 down. And at the end of the sentence, you can put the question particle ma, and thus you should change the period to question mark. So the question sentence ma about 我有哥哥 is 你有哥哥吗? So how to answer it? Before we learned if we will answer the question ma sentence, you should use 是 or 不是. For example, 你有哥哥吗? You can answer 是我有哥哥 or you can answer 不是我没有哥哥. That's not wrong, it's correct. But most answer of this question sentence in China almost use the verb in the question ma sentence. So we know the verb is an action. So in the sentence of 你有哥哥吗? The verb, the action is 有. So the question ma sentence in 你有哥哥吗? The answer is 有 or the negate 没有. Okay, next one. 今天星期一. How to transfer 今天星期一 into question sentence with ma? First, you should put 今天星期一 down. Then put ma at the end of the sentence. Last, you should change period into question mark. So the sentence of 今天星期一 into question sentence is 今天星期一吗? So the answer is 是 or negate. Answer is 不是. Oh, you will ask a teacher. Teacher, I didn't see 是 in the question sentence 今天星期一吗? Why your answer is 是 or 不是? So let's recall your memory. 今天星期一吗? This sentence, the standard saying is 今天是星期一吗? We know in the date of the week, 是 is be omitted in the sentence. 今天是星期一吗? If we omitted the 是, the sentence is coming to 今天星期一吗? Omit doesn't mean don't have. it's still there. So the answer is still use 是 or 不是. Okay, now let's review about 呢. For example, 你是哪国人？你是哪国人？中国人。中国人。你呢？你呢？ So this 你呢 in English is how about you? The answer is 韩国人. Okay, now do you know about 吗 and 呢 what's the same and what's the different? Let's talk about it. Same first. So first we talk about the same in between the 吗 and the 呢. First one is both go at the end of a sentence. Second one is both of them can form questions. Third one, both of them are pronounced in neutral tone. And now let's talk about the difference from 吗 to 呢. The first we can talk about 吗. 吗 placed at the end of yes or no questions. For example, 你是小学生吗? So your answer is yes or no. Yes is 是, no is 不是. So that's the yes no question. Another one, 你有哥哥吗? So your answer is 有 or 没有. It's yes or no questions. And next one is 今天星期一吗? So if yes, you can answer 是. If no, you should answer 不是. So we know the 吗 should placed at the end of yes or no questions. And now let's talk about 呢. No used as an asking back question, similar to how about. But most in China, 呢 has a lot of ways to use. But today we just talk about the answering back questions. For example, 你是哪国人? The answer is 中国人. But if the B want to ask back to A, 你是哪国人? The B don't use the whole sentence. Just use 你呢? The question particle 呢 to answer back. So 你呢 last meaning 你是哪国人? How about you? So the answer is 菲律宾人. So 呢 is used as an asking back questions. Now let's take another example. A will ask 你几岁了? 你几岁了 in English is how old are you? B answered 9岁 and B want to ask to A about 你几岁了? He just can use 你呢? How about you? Then A will answer 8岁. So that's the same and different from 吗 to 呢. Do you get it? Let's have a test. First one. 你叫什么名字? 王小天。你 blank 我叫王一豪. So what do you think? Which word should fill in the blank? 吗 or 呢? I think you get it. Is 呢. Okay, next one. A. 你是王小宁 blank. B. 是 or 不是. So, which one you should use? Ma, do you get it? Okay, next one. A. 你上2年级 blank. B. 是 or 不是. And in this sentence, we know the verb is 上, so you also can answer use the verb 上 or 不上. So, which word you should fill in the blank? Ma, do you get it? Okay, last one. A. 你有哥哥 blank. B. 有你 blank. A. 我有弟弟. So, what do you think? Which words can fill in these 2 blanks? Okay. A. 你有哥哥吗 B. 有你呢 So, do you get the context of these lessons? Hope you can get it. Good job, everyone. See you next lesson.